video. This is our little house. This is the front of our house. Kiki's kept it pretty simple out here. But last year that whole archway was covered with the blue hibiscus. Got some climbing roses out here, some other flowers. Every season we plant some wildflowers here and just drop some seeds and see what comes up. And now to the real treat, the backyard, Kiki's backyard. Of course we're going to be greeted by the little ones here. Hey, Timothy. It's Jeffrey. That's Pearl. And Holly. Hi, Holly. Yes. These three are all 10 years old, 10 and a half, and Jeffrey's 3. And there's Kiki. What are we doing, honey?
I'm trying to collect some okra.
Okay.
Because every day you have to collect it.
Okay.
If not, then go old and doesn't taste good.
Okay.
You want to taste juicy and crunchy.
Yeah. So here's the basics, and we'll come back to all of this later, of course. This is our little sitting area that we haven't finished yet. So we got to do a little stonework around the edge here and finish that up. But yes, you can see there's all kinds of roses and little flowers. We got a bunch of lavender planted back there after we killed this tree. Lessons learned. And here's our little back porch. This side we've got a few little plants. We've got some blue hibiscus growing and climbing. The front is all roses. And then over here we've got grapes that have been growing for a couple of years. And I think this year is the first year they're actually going to fruit. So that's awesome. She's planted some climbing roses here. She'll tell you all about this stuff later. But that's going to go up and over and match up with this one here. So here's our garden with our greenhouse that needs repair again. And here we are.
Getting old. You don't eat
Yeah, no, we gotta pick that and get it out of here. This is our mint weed.
It's so itching. It's so itching. Oh, this one. This year we plant different. We plant the tiny one. Lady finger.
Yeah.
And okra good for water.
I have no idea what it's good for. I just know it's
降血
delicious.
压可能是。
Huh?
降血压。
It's for reducing blood pressure?
然后纤维，很好的纤维。
I don't know what that means.
纤维
Yeah.
，fibers。fibers。纤维就是拉不掉的。
Oh.
fibers。
What are these?
It's long bean.
Log beans.
Chinese long bean, but they can grow really long. I just like to eat
When they're a little bit younger.
babies. I love eat babies. Sorry. Like fresh babies. And there's a lot of Chinese cabbage and what they call eggplant.
Eggplant.
This is my first year playing eggplant. Looks pretty awesome.
Okay. What do we got over there?
Yeah, got 2 more here.
Oh, they're both long beans also?
Yeah. And
This is our little banana tree that we planted this year.
like 2 months ago.
2 months ago, and 2 months ago it was only about like here. It's this little thing. Now look at it.
So I think until my tomato.
Yeah,
So
we did lose control of this year.
I did cut, but it didn't work because it's just so good. The soya all combo from our chicken coop,
Yeah.
and they just go crazy and a lot of tomato. But I kind of have to
I don't think we can
get
pick this
inside
yet.
to get it.
It's not ready yet.
It's ready. If you don't pick it, then will be go bad really quick.
It's already really tender.
Yeah, but they pick it. They
It's really
keep
soft.
inside for a couple of days, and then you can eat it. But I would like to keep for really sharp if nothing taken.
Right.
You never know.
Yeah.
So here a lot. Oh, this is a big one too.
Yeah, so that one
See it?
Yeah.
And underneath it, a lot. See it? Oh god, so dark I can't even see the sun. And we have
Tomato jungle. There's our kale over there.
Yeah, this is a lot of tomato. Can't even see it. We have black tomato. They have come up something too. We have 3 different tomatoes, different kinds. Don't see it. I think this year's I planted the first one. I think they
Yeah.
call Texas huge tomato.
Texas beefsteak, maybe?
This yeah, at least
That one's
one
solid.
for 1 pound.
Yeah, right?
Look how big they are.
Pound each.
1 pound each, maybe 2
Here's
pounds.
our mixed salad greens. I had
How
a
to say that
huge
name?
mesclun mix.
No, but this is really good for salad.
Uh,
Arugula.
arugula.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are all arugula, but just mixed.
Jeffrey. Mommy's favorite.
Hey, I don't want to eat any banana with cucumber with the egg too. Yes.
Yeah, we haven't finished one. I still got that massive half.
I'm so excited. This is from my hometown.
Yeah.
This from Nanning, from China.
Nanning City honeydew melon.
Honeydew melon. It tastes so different. But
Yeah,
we have a lot, but this one's
That one's the fastest, yeah.
faster go.
You see, really good
I almost can't
pictures of
eat.
these massive
Yeah.
cucumbers.
Almost. I think this weekend we can enjoy this one.
Okay.
Ooh, not bad. You
It's a mini harvest.
You kill diet for myself. We have
Basil, purple basil. We've got peapod. Peapod 怎么说?
I don't know.
Loquat. That's what it's called. Forget the English for it. Come on, Pearl. Come on.
Let me cut some kale for chicken.
Okay.
Put some kale for the chickens. Chicken love kales.
So what we've done with our kale is we clip always from the bottom. You can see here. And then we keep clipping from the bottom, and it keeps growing and it keeps
like
growing. And then last season we had one that was about this tall, and with the naked bottom, and then just kept sprouting new ones.
Not for today. Okay.
Yeah.
Kale's good for chicken.
Yeah, the chickens love kale. Yeah, it adds a lot of the healthy stuff that they need to make the eggs healthier. Sorry, hold on. Hi, girls. That's Sandals. That's Hurt Mama. And where's Legs? Legs. Hey, sweetie. Come on. Yeah, look at all this. Hey, come on, baby girl. Say hi. Yeah, he's my girl. And we get today's mini drop. We've got 2. So this one, the beautiful green color, is from Hurt Mama. This tan pink one is from Sandals. Legs lays white eggs. Yeah, you guys enjoy it, all right? We built everything back here. We built the deck. We built our little makeshift chicken coop and the ladder to go collect the plums. They get the what? No, we haven't. This is more of the roses.
This is tree roses.
These are tree roses.
People say that in Texas it's really hard to raise tree roses. So this year I got all rose 50% off. When I got them, they seem like a dying.
Yeah, they're so
But-
much healthier now.
We change out the dirt and give them fish bone with chicken poop,
Yeah.
and that's how it works in 20 days in totally different ways.
Fish bone and chicken poop compost.
It's just too hot, so let it shake.
Yeah.
No, it's itching.
All right, well, that's our first video. Welcome to the backyard. Say hi, Kiki.
Hi.
That's Kiki, and I'm her husband. I don't know how to switch the camera from the front, so this is what we're gonna do. And this is our backyard. These are the kids. And this is our life. Pretty much every day. You can't beat it. You really can't. We got really lucky in the suburbs out here. So we finished this side so far, but this is the next project over here. Yeah. All right, everybody.